Hello, dear students. Good afternoon. I, Ashok Verma, your English teacher, welcome you all in my class. Dear students, we have completed some chapters in our both books, The Moment and The Beehive. Today, we are going to start a new chapter in the writing section. Today, we will start with the diary entry. It is also called diary writing. First of all, we'll see what a diary writing is, what a diary entry is. A diary entry is a very personal kind of writing. It gives us an opportunity to express our emotions, feelings on any topic in an impersonal way, or in other words, we can say diary entry is a piece of writing where we express, where we share all our emotion feelings that we cannot share with the other person or in openly in the society, or you can say in other language that diary is someone like your best friend. Diary is your bestie with whom you can express everything that you want to share. And you people, some of you may be in the habit of writing diary. So what you write in the diary? The things that comes in your mind, the things that comes in your heart, you share only those things in your diary. You write all those things that you cannot share with the other persons. Okay, so diary is an impersonal kind of writing in which we express our feelings, emotions. In our class ninth, diary entry is prescribed. So first of all, we'll see that what is the purpose of giving us an opportunity to write. What are the things that are checked in the examination when we are writing a diary entry? When a question of diary entry comes in examination, two three things are checked over there. The first thing that they examine is our creativity, how creative we are, how imagination, and they also check our imagination, how imaginative we are. And expressive skill means how can are you able to express your feelings, your thoughts, your emotion in a proper manner, in a good English. These are some of the things that are checked when we are writing the diary entry. Your diary entry should be creative, it checks your imagination, and it checks your expressive skills. Expressive skills means your knowledge of language, how much good command you have over the knowledge. Now we'll see that how to write the diary entry. First of all, as you know that in class ninth, whatever piece of writing is given to you for writing, the most important thing is the format, because format contains 1 marks. If you are able to make form of correct format, then you will be able to get 1 marks, though you do not write much things in the body. Okay, so first of all, we'll see that what is the format. The format of the diary entry is very simple. In the diary entry, first of all, the things that we write is the date. First of all, we write date, and in the next line we write the day. In some books you might have seen that day and the date, both the things are written together. You can also write, so you will write day, date, then you will write day, then you will write the time of the diary. Time means the time when you are making that diary entry. उस समय को एक्सप्रेस लिखोगे जिस समय हम डायरी लिखते हैं। एंड जनरली व्हाट इज़ दैट टाइम इज़ द इवनिंग टाइम। अक्सर करके हम डायरी रात में ही लिखते हैं। अभी लॉकडाउन है तो दिन भर फ्री हो तो कभी भी लिख सकते हो, बट व्हेन आवर शेड्यूल इज़ वेरी बिजी, जनरली वी राइट द डायरी एट द night time. So preferably you put here any time in the PM. Okay, now after you have written day, date, day and time, you will come to the next line, and in the next line, very simply, so give a gap of 1 line. In the after that line you write the dear diary. You write there the word dear diary. Here I will like to say it is not necessary to write dear diary only if you have given some name to your diary. अगर आपको अपनी डायरी बहुत पसंद है, if you like your diary very much and you think that it is your closest friend, bestie, and you have given a name to it, you can also write a name to your diary. I will like to cite example. There is a very famous character, Helen Keller. She also uh, wrote a diary, and in her diary she gave a name to her diary. She gave a name to her diary. Okay, after you have written the word dear diary, you will write the body of the diary. The body of the diary will start from that place. You will start from here. Okay, let me mark here. You will start it from over here, and after you have written the body of the diary, you will leave a line, and here you will make your sign. Okay, this is the format of the diary. Let us see the example of it. What is the example? As I told you, first of all you have to write the date. Date in which format you will write? The date you will write in the British format. The British format is this one, 25th July, comma 2020. You will not write the date in this format. Okay, don't write date in this format. This format of writing date is not accepted. Don't write in this format. Write the date in this format. Next, write the name of the day, then time. As I told you, preferably you choose the night time, because this is the time when we make the diary entry. Then the word dear diary, and then the body means what are the things that you want to express. क्या क्या लिखना चाहते हो, क्या क्या डायरी में लिखोगे, क्या क्या एक्सप्रेस करोगे, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू विल एक्सप्रेस, that will be there in the body. Then your sign, your diary is over. Okay, let us see how to write the body of the diary. Here we will see that what are the ways, how can we start our diary. See, everybody writes the diary, but you should write it in such a way that you can impress the person who is reading your diary. And how can you impress that person who is reading your diary? By writing it in a very different manner. सपोज कर लो किसी भी टॉपिक पे लिखना है, सो डोंट गो स्टार्ट राइटिंग दैट आई डिड दैट, आई डिड दैट, आई डिड दैट, आई ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. डोंट स्टार्ट स्ट्रेट वे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चूज अ लाइन दैट कैन एक्सप्रेस द होल समरी ऑफ द डायरी. एक लाइन चूज करो जो उस डायरी के पूरे समरी को एक्सप्रेस कर दे. इट कैन एक्सप्रेस द होल समरी ऑफ द डायरी, और इट एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग्स एट व्हाट आर यू फीलिंग एट दैट टाइम व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द डायरी. जो आप जिस समय डायरी लिख रहे हो उसमें आपके मन में क्या चीज़ें चल रही, एक ऐसा लाइन चूज करो जो पूरी आपकी इमोशंस को, फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस कर सके. ओके, ट्राई टू चूज दैट लाइन एंड राइट that line in the very beginning of the diary. I will say that if you have to start the body, then write the beginning line over here in this line, then you start writing the diary. Okay. One thing more I will like to mention over here, that in some cases you may put the diary into a box. Some people suggest that we should put the diary into a box. Some people say that we should not put it into box. You can put it into box, or you cannot put it into box. It is up to you. Okay, so we were talking about how to write the body of the diary, and first thing I told you that first of all you should choose a line that can express the summary of the diary, or your mood, or your feelings. I will like to cite some example. कुछ example देखते हैं. Suppose that you are writing a diary over your feelings. What are you feeling after you have been scolded by your parents as well as your teacher in the school? Teacher और ने स्कूल में डांटा है और पेरेंट्स ने घर में डांटा है. सो व्हाट वाज इट? इट वाज अ बैड डे. तो शुरू में क्या लिखोगे? ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे. यू विल नॉट स्टार्ट राइटिंग दैट इट वाज अ वेरी बैड डे, आई गॉट स्कॉल्डेड बाय माय टीचर, आई गॉट स्कॉल्ड व्हेन आई रीच टू माय होम, आई टोल्ड माय पेरेंट्स. दीज आर द सिंपल वे. ये तो बाद में लिखना है. दीज थिंग्स वी हैव टू राइट लेटर ऑन. बट बिफोर दैट व्हाट यू डिड डू, चूज अ लाइन दैट कैन एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग. जैसे मैंने, एज आई हैव गिवन यू अ लाइन, व्हाट अ बैड डे. Try to write an exclamatory sentence. You can write what a bad day. If you are writing your diary over a very prideful scene, you have seen a person dying over the road, nobody was taking care of that, everybody was busy in their work, so you can choose how cruel the whole world is. Or if you are writing the diary over anything, when you are feeling very happy, you can say what a joyful day. Or if there is some other matter, when you are feeling very bored, very lazy, you can say what a lazy day. Then write all the things that comes in the diary. That then start writing everything that comes in your mind. और एक बात ध्यान रखना है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डायरी एंट्री इज नॉट अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. हमें डायरी एंट्री, वी हैव टू राइट डायरी एंट्री इन सच अ वे एज इफ वी आर टॉकिंग टू आवर फ्रेंड. जैसे अपने फ्रेंड से बात करते हैं, एज वी टॉक टू आवर फ्रेंड, इन द सेम मैनर यू हैव टू राइट योर डायरी. इन बिटवीन, बीच में लिख सकते हो, यू नो डायरी, आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी एंग्री एट दैट टाइम. यू नो डायरी, आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी एक्साइटेड एट दैट टाइम. This thing you can mention in the diary. Now we will come to the next thing, that what are the tenses that we should use while we are writing the डायरी. हमें ग्रामर का ध्यान रखना है. सो वाइल वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द ग्रामर, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी शुड टेक केयर, आवर सेंटेंसेस शुड नॉट बी वेरी लॉन्ग. हमें बहुत लंबे लंबे सेंटेंस नहीं लिखने हैं. वी हैव टू राइट वेरी स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस. नेक्स्ट थिंग, वी हैव टू try to make our sentences correctly. So first of all we should try to write the use these sentences. You can use the simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Simple past tense क्या होता है? Simple past tense is the tense that tells you what you did. आपने क्या किया, what you did in the past, what are the things that you did. This sentence this sentence is called simple past. For example, मैंने खाया, मैंने पिताजी से बात की, मैं टीवी देखा. सो दीज आर सम सेंटेंसेज दैट एक्सप्रेस व्हाट यू डिड. सो हाउ विल यू राइट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स द पर्सन हु डिड द वर्क. सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्क and the object. Example can be there can be a numerous example. I went to my school, I did not bring my book, my teacher scolded me, I was beeping. See, these sentences are in the simple past. Next tense that you have to use is the present perfect. Present perfect tense also shows the things that you have done. I have taken my lunch, and these are some sentences. And then the simple future tense. The next tense that you can do is the simple future tense. You can also use simple future tense. Simple future tense will tell us that what are the things that you are planning to do in the future. Example, you have got scolded by your parents. Now you have decided that you will do such things which will not lead you to the scolding. So you can say, आपने डिसाइड किया कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें करेंगे जिससे कि आपको डांट ना पड़े. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? वी विल यूज़ द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. वी कैन सॉरी सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. यू विल से दैट नाउ आई विल बी ओबीडियंट स्टूडेंट, आई विल बी अ ओबीडियंट एंड गुड सन, आई विल नॉट क्रिएट एनी प्रॉब्लम फॉर माई पेरेंट्स, आई डिसाइड इट. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can mention in the diary. And one most important thing, diary, while you are making the diary entry, write it in the first person. First person means use the word I. Why will you use the word I? Because you are writing about your own feelings, your own thoughts. अपने feelings और thoughts के बारे में लिख रहे हो. So you will always use a subject I. Here I have given you some other things that एट द एंड ऑफ द डायरी, जब डायरी एंड कर रहे हो, यू कैन यूज दीज लाइन्स. इस लाइन्स को यूज कर सकते हो टू फिनिश द डायरी. डियर डायरी, यू नो आई कांट शेयर दीज थिंग्स विथ अदर्स एज यू आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. आई एम शेयरिंग इट विथ यू. नाउ इट इज़ टाइम टू स्लीप. गुड नाइट. जस्ट फिनिश इट. Okay, I hope that you have got some ideas about that. Now we will move to the example. We'll see example and then we will finish it. Okay, let us see the question. What is the question? You are really very upset with your sister because she has given your favorite book to your sister. There should be her friend. Her friend. Now you want to read it, but you are missing it. Make a diary entry expressing your feelings. आप कोई बुक पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आपकी बुक मिल नहीं रही है क्योंकि आपकी सिस्टर ने उस बुक को अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया है. नाउ यू आर वेरी एंग्री. अब एंगर हो और अपने फीलिंग्स को डायरी में लिखोगे. कैसे लिखोगे? ओके, लेट अस सी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल मेक द फॉर्मेट. व्हाट विल कम इन द फॉर्मेट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन द फॉर्मेट देयर विल कम द डेट 25th July 2020. Day, you can write any day. I have written an imaginary day. Then time, I have written 8 p.m. Dear diary. Okay, this was the format. Now next thing, as I told you that you will start a diary with a line choosing that can express your feelings, emotion, or the summary of the diary. I have chosen one line, that is really very upset with my really very upset and angry. Now come to the body. What will write in the body? I wanted to read my favorite novel Harry Potter. I went to cupboard and found my book missing. I inquired everyone and was very surprised to know that my sister gave it to her friend without asking me. See, student, I told you that you have to use simple present tense. I wanted to read simple present. I went simple present. My sister gave it simple present. See, sorry, simple past. These sentences are in the simple past tense. And I was very upset and uh, red with the anger. I scolded her badly. She was in tears. I had no explanation to the questions of mother. Hoping to get my book soon. Oh, my friend, it is time to sleep. Good night. Here there is no space. That's why I have not. Space was not left. Otherwise, you will give a space of one line. Then you will make your sign here, or you can write your name here. This is all about the diary entry. Enjoy the video. If you have any problem, let me know. Thank you.